Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, there's cool amazing bottle right here. And basically what these are is some odor eliminator gel beads that you can use at home, your office, in your car, even on your boat. Wherever you guys want to use it, that's up to you guys. So they actually have these in a lot of different scent, but the one that we got right here is a lavender vanilla, and it comes in a pack of 2 of them. If you can see right here, you can definitely see all those gel beads inside, which is pretty cool. So if you really think about it, not only is it like a odor eliminator, but it also is like an air freshener and also like an essential oil as well. But let's open this up first and show you guys what the product looks like and how to use it. Alright, so when we first take it off on the package, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they mentioned the product is non-toxic and it's all naturally made, which is pretty cool. And then this is what the top part looks like. So all you guys need to do is just peel out this part right here, just like this. So once you guys remove the label on top right here, what you want to do is open up the lid. And you guys want to take this part out right here. Alright, so you guys want to take that out. Once you guys take that out, you guys want to close it back up. So once you guys finish removing the layer of the label and also that seal right there, then you guys can start using the product. Like right now when I'm squeezing the product right here, I can definitely smell that strong lavender scent that they have right here. I recommend you guys put this anywhere where there's a lot of odor or if it smells bad. So maybe your closet or somewhere else. You guys can definitely put one of these in those situations. I've been a huge fan of this product. It actually works really well to remove odor and also give you guys that fresh air and give you guys that strong smell when you guys put this onto your closet, your car, or somewhere else, which is pretty cool. And because I used this before, I know that actually works. So I would definitely have to recommend this product if you guys do want one or need one of these. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.